Want to skyrocket your website's credibility and boost sales? Let's dive into embedding your stellar Trustpilot reviews directly onto your WordPress website using the Elementor page builder. First, ensure you have both WordPress and the Elementor page builder installed, then activated. If you don't already have them, install them from the plugins menu and activate them. Next, head over to Trustpilot and log into your business account. Navigate to the marketing section and then find website widgets here. You'll be able to create and customize your Trustpilot review widget. Select a widget type, choose your desired appearance, and configure the settings to match your brand. Once you're happy with your widget, Trustpilot will provide you with a unique code snippet. Copy this code. We will need it in Elementor. Now, jump back into your WordPress website and open the page or section where you want to display the reviews using the Elementor editor. From the Elementor Elements panel, search for the HTML widget and drag it onto your desired location on the page. Click inside the HTML widget box and paste the Trustpilot code snippet that you copied earlier. Elementor should automatically render the Trustpilot reviews within the widget. And there you have it. Your Trustpilot reviews are now beautifully embedded on your WordPress website, showcasing authentic customer experiences and building trust with your visitors. Remember to hit publish or date in Elementor to make your changes live. Your conversions are about to go through the roof.